Hello, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate your time. I just wanted to ask you a few questions, okay?
Sure.
All
Great.
right. So, why did you go solar?
Initially, I started looking for solar projects to lessen my carbon footprint. I'm concerned about the environment and also for reasons of cost. It's too expensive to pay the power company every month.
Exactly, exactly. So, how would you say your process has been so far?
Great. I have had no problems at all with the system. It was once contacted Green Solar Technology, they walked me through it step by step. So I understood every part of the process, which was a big relief to me because I'm not technical. And then they found me a loan that was very, very low interest, which made it even, more beneficial to me. So, and then once they hired a crew that was local to install all the equipment, it the process went very fast, and they were very professional, and they did a great job. I
Amazing.
no problems.
Great. So, with all of this being said, what would you say was your favorite part throughout the process? Was it with sales, your project managers, or the installation itself?
Actually, it was the installation. I was so excited to have my panels put on and start using them that I was thrilled when I started doing it. And my neighbors were too. Lots of people stopped to see what was happening, and it gave them ideas too. Hopefully, they'll start conserving energy.
Exactly. Awesome. Well, thank you so much for your time, and I really appreciate you answering some of my questions today.
Thank you.